If you are trying to log into your Snapchat account but you are facing problem to log in your account, this tutorial review will guide you how to fix this problem. Solution number 1, restart your Snapchat app. So close your Snapchat app and relaunch it and try to log in to your account. Solution number 2, restart your phone. After that, relaunch your Snapchat app and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 3, make sure to connect with a stable internet connection. Solution number 4, update your Snapchat. So go to your App Store or Play Store and update your app and check the problem if fixed or not. And another solution is disable your VPN. If you're using a VPN software, then you have to disable the VPN and try to log into your Snapchat account. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Snapchat app and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.